So this is a Lenovo Type 90G9. That's it there. So we're gonna see if we can see what's going on. They did say something about overheating. I'm not exactly sure. So we'll just plug it in and try and turn it on. See what happens. I suspect this has a laptop motherboard in here. So let's try powering it on. No power. Let's have a quick look on the inside. So definitely that's one. Oh, here we go. That's it. Nice. So we can get a nice internal view. And plug in the power as well. Just do some voltage checks. See if we're getting voltage at all. Always check if we have a ground. We should be getting 20 watts. Yep, I'm getting 20 volts coming into the motherboard, which is good, but it's not turning on. Removing a bunch of cables so we can see clearly if there is any issues, problems. So the power button, when we press the button, it comes to here. So this is the front panel. And let's rule out the front button is working or not by manually shorting pins, see if we can turn it on. If it does turn on here, then we know the power button is faulty. But I'm not sure which pin is which, so I'm just gonna try shorting randomly. Nothing. So that tells me the power button most likely is okay. And see if we got 3.3 volts. Alright, so I'm not sure which one is the front power button. Just checking each pin here. Yep. Yeah, I've got 3.3 volts here. So it's most likely that pin there. See if I short. Yep. This should turn on. Yet it's not. So that indicates some other issue with the motherboard. Let's quickly have a look around the motherboard. Anything obvious? Just gonna feel around, see if there is anything getting hot. I'm going to inject power manually to see if it's sucking anything in. So I just need to find the positive here. Yep, that's positive. Okay, so we're going to inject power into there and see if it draws anything. I've got 20 volts set up at 1 amp, so I'm going to inject power manually, see if anything happens. So it's not taking any power in. Like an idiot, I've got the other one plugged in too. Okay, I've unplugged the main power source. Here we go. Try one more time. Ah, here we go. It's pulling in 0.029 amps. So something's pulling in some power, but I don't know what. Okay. Let's start. So we've isolated the front, looks like a card reader, and there's a Wi-Fi module. Let's isolate that too. Oh, that's broken off. That's correct. Okay, let's plug in the power again. Try turning it on. We need to put this back in. Let's remove the battery and do a power cycle. Nope, nothing. It's refusing to turn on. There must be a short somewhere. Might be something simple. So I'm going to remove the motherboard. That's the card reader. It's the front ports. Cover. So that's where our power comes in. Just do a regular check around. See if we can see anything obvious. Where am I? Here. This looks bulged a little bit, not sure. I'm just poking around at the moment, so that looks like a MOSFET. That's the gate, source, drain. I think that's okay. Let's have a look on the other side. It looks very clean, can't see anything. I'm gonna do a short test on capacitor and see if any of them come up. So I don't know where to start, so I'm just going to randomly poke around. Could be that something that plugged in the front of the USB port that may have shorted it. Let's check around the USB side. So these are diodes. Let's check the, let's compare them. So diode mode, no power. So where are we? We're here. 584, 171. They're all different. Five one, 459. I'm not sure what I'm looking out for. Let's see if any of these go to ground. He goes to ground. Let's compare it with this one. Diode mode. One 2.2. So this one is at 2.2, 1.11. And that's ground. So this is W0473. Which is same as this one here. Let's do a comparison. That should be 0. Here we're getting 2.3. We're getting nothing. 1.7. The other one over here, we're getting different values. Maybe they're connected differently. I don't know yet. What is this? This is over here. This is on the CPU itself. These look like capacitors. Or are they? I'm not sure. Well, let's check diode mode, do a comparison. This one here. 004 386, so 06. Okay, let's do a continuity test. I'm not really sure what I'm measuring here. So the middle, I'm assuming, is the positive, and the outside is ground. Yeah. Okay, I see now. I think this may be it, I am not sure. So that's how they connect. So that is not ground, that's ground. Right, so that's ground, that's positive. That's ground, that's positive. So I think this is what the problem is. Let's have a look around the CPU a little bit more. What is this material? Just dust. That may explain the problem we're having. So that could explain why these ones are all short. So if we touch, so that's a short, but this is not short. See? But this one is short. Yep, that's short. These are short. These are short. You know what, I'm going to remove this. See, if I remove this, these shorts should go away. Okay, why don't we remove this? Wow, that's so tiny. Yeah, we'll remove it with this. Okay. Maybe 450 degrees. Sharp pin, sharp nozzle. Let's give it a go. Needs to be really quick. Oh, that flew away, okay. That's extremely tiny. Let's check the short again. So this was short from before. It's still a short. How about here? Yeah, there is still a short. Maybe this one too. Let's inject power and see if it still draws 0.2 amp as before. Yeah, 0.028 being drawn. I'm going to plug the power button. And plug in the power. There is an onboard speaker. We should hear it make beeps if it does turn on. Hey, look at that, we heard one beep. And we got power light. Very interesting. Let's power it off. Let's put the CPU back on. And let's plug it into a HDMI connection and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we've got it all plugged in. Gonna press the power button, the fan should spin. Nice. Have a look at the other screen. Should be booting up. Power. Okay, one more time. This time I'm gonna press F1 and escape keys. Oh, look at that, here we go. How awesome is this? It's currently turned on. IdeaCentre 310S08 ASR.